got the keys to the Honda Acty, man. Fuji Imports, Mr. Mike hooked it up, put a carb on it, tuned it up, plugs. He said it's running like a champ. We really haven't driven this. We're in Lexington. We got to drive it 30 miles back to Richmond. We're gonna see what happens. I'm ready for a ride. Have you seen this thing? We've got this 92 Honda Acty from Big Brian, South Carolina, Pawleys Island. He brought us that 67 Camaro, Rust to Restoration. He also brought us this. That guy brings us nothing but cool things. It's a 92, it's right-hand drive, it's a 5-speed manual shift. I've never driven it. We've got to get it 30 miles back home. It's so cool though. I don't know if you know anything about these, I don't, but it's got doors on both sides. The seat folds down completely flat. The windows roll down on these big side doors. You can really haul a bunch of stuff in here. It came from an auction, straight off a cargo ship from Japan. We're gonna take it for a ride. I'm pumped. And Mike said it would start. Can I even fit in it? Woo! Fits like a glove, you know. Let's see if this thing will fire up. It's got a little bit of a idle, he said. Let it idle up. This thing is nice, man. E-brake works. E-brake works. I mean, I don't even know how to drive this thing. First is over there. Geez, we are definitely going to try to make it home. I've never driven this. No idea how to drive this. Oh my God, this is going to be so fun to drive. That's fourth. This is going to be a learning curve for sure. Oh my goodness, man, this is going to be weird. It's going to take a second to get used to. The blinker is on your right. That is weird to me. But we're going to try it. Oh God. Get used to that, dude.
Oh man.
I never drove a car with the left-hand stick shift. I'm on the wrong side of the road. No, I'm just on the wrong side of the car. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun, dude. We got gas, we got a half tank, it says. Oh my goodness. I keep wanting to shift with this hand, it's weird. Yeah, baby, now we can see 660, I don't know what that is, cc's? No way, maybe. 12 valves, SDX, super delicious extra. I mean, I guarantee I'm gonna get in that side way too much. Full tank of gas, this thing will go approximately forever. Seriously, man, this thing gets like 50 miles a gallon.
So we're turning around because the road's closed. Can't go that way.
Oh, it's got backup beepers. Safety first. All right. That was not what we wanted. That's fourth gear. So we're not going. Doing all this on a hill and this thing is great. All right, we will be taking it on the interstate. Not exactly what we wanted. We just got to get across the river and hopefully not ran over. Oh God.
made it.
What about that, boys? This thing is so dang cool. I mean, I ain't kidding you. It drives like a 92 Honda Accord. You just got to shift with your left hand. The only problem is the blinkers on this side, and I keep turning the wipers on. Every time, left hand turn wipers. You got to hit right hand. It is tough to make a left hand turn signal. I'm pumped up, man. We're going to be able to get some parts, take this to Carlisle, cruise down those aisles. Don't have to worry about hitting the dually sides. You got plenty of room. So, I'm pumped up, guys. Anybody want to drive it? Look at that. That's so badass, dude.